Hello and welcome back to another video in POSAdvisors guide series for EncorePOS. Today we'll be covering the Vendor Profitability Report. This report tracks sales and profitability for each of your vendors, helping you make sound purchasing decisions. You'll also have increased negotiating power with your vendors with this level of reporting. As always, we'll get started by logging onto the dashboard. Click on the Reports tab, select the vendor tile, and click on the Vendor Profitability Report. The first thing to do here is to select whether you'd like to see all or specific vendors on the report. To specify vendors, check this box and click here. Highlight your desired vendors on this screen and click the X on the top right to confirm your choices. Then we'll choose whether to see all departments and types or to see specific ones. Under Date Range for Report, select either the last week, month, 90 days, 6 months, or year. You can also indicate a specific custom time frame by checking this box here and using the calendar tool. When you have everything set to your liking, click on the Submit button to run the report. The first vendor you selected will appear if you chose vendors from a list. Use the Next and Previous buttons here to move back and forth between the vendors you've selected. If you decided to see a summary of all vendors, you'll see this list. Like many of our other reports, you can navigate through a larger list by using the page buttons on the bottom, or by using our search function. You can change how the report sorts by clicking these arrows. When you have the report looking how you'd like it for bookkeeping, it can be copied to your clipboard, exported to an Excel file, a PDF, or sent directly to a printer. Note that if you begin with a summary of all vendors, you can drill down to the same levels of information on individual vendors as when you begin with a specific vendor. An especially great feature of this report is the ability to zoom in on any given item. If you mouse over any item on the list, a magnifying glass appears. Click to open the Inventory Info window and see more detail for that item. Then click on Sales Chart to see sales for the past 18 months. It's also important to understand that unlike EncorePOS, this report calculates profitability based on what a product sold for, rather than the standard retail price. If you're routinely having to discount products from a particular vendor, you'll know and can use this information as you negotiate your purchases. If you'd like to make a shortcut for the settings you just made to run this report, click the Save Settings button here, enter a good name, and click OK. When you're finished with the report, click the Close button here to return to the dashboard. To find the shortcut you just made, click on the Shortcuts tab here, and your report is just a click away. That's about it for this video today. If we helped you out, leave a like below. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest and greatest from POSAdvisors. We'll have our support number down in the description, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.